My name is Manuel Calvé. I'm head of partnerships for EMEA at Conduktor. So Conduktor is really an added value layer on top of Kafka platforms for customers really trying to make the most out of their streaming data. And we really focus on making it easy, secure, and scalable to work with Kafka and make streaming data a strategic asset that can be used as a revenue generating or as a use case unlocking method for AI projects, especially nowadays. Today, if we look at streaming data, a lot of customers want to be able to share that data with external parties, and exposing that data can be a problem because a lot of banks or a lot of healthcare providers have very sensitive data. So this is a great way to expose data to external parties while hiding a lot of the internal information or sensitive data that you wouldn't want certain parties to access. When we look at Cloudera and Conduktor working together, the reason why this is such a great fit is because Cloudera is ideally positioned to be the full enterprise data platform of tomorrow. It is focused on getting customers' data anywhere, everywhere, whether they're on public cloud, private cloud, hybrid setup, whether they want to go full on AI or do something more traditional. It really serves its purpose. When we're going into the market with Cloudera, we're really looking for customers who take data streaming seriously and really want to be successful with real-time data and have use cases such as fraud detection, customer experience, supply chain efficiency. Typically, we have seen the most success in financial services, manufacturing, retail, and transport and logistics. The partnership between Conduktor and Cloudera is really about bringing real-time data to the enterprise anywhere and everywhere for use cases in AI.